Hello! Today in class we will solve two more examples where we will convert an improper fraction into a mixed number. Or we'll emphasize the whole part. Let's take the following fraction. 144 fifths and write this fraction as a mixed number. A mixed number is a number that consists of a whole part and a fractional part. Or irregular fraction can be equal to 1. This too is an improper fraction that is written as a mixed number. But back to our example, 144 fifths. To convert the number to a mixed fraction, we need to divide 144 by 5. Let's divide this number in a column and write it down. 144, I'm going to divide by 5. This is a whole number, so I will divide the number 14 first. I can't divide 1 by 5, so I'll take the number 14. 14 divided by 5. Take 2 of each. 2 times 5. 10. 14 minus 10 is 4. We have one more digit. Let's put it down. 4. Now we need 44 divided by 5. We take 8. 8 times 5 is 40. 44 minus 40. We're left with 4. There are no more numbers, so 4 is the remainder. I can write down that when I divide 144 by 5, I get the number 28. And the remainder is the number 4. After I've divided 144 by 5, I can write down this fraction as a mixed number. Let's write it down. 144 fifths is equal to 28 whole numbers. 4 is the remainder. I write in the numerator and rewrite the denominator. The result is the following mixed number, 28 whole 4 fifths. Let's solve another example. Example 352/24. This fraction must also be written as a mixed number. To do this, I must divide 352 by 24. We're going to divide using the method of division by column. Let's write it down. The number 352, I'm going to divide by the number 24. To begin, I will divide the number 35 by 24. I will do this step by step, starting with 1 multiplied by 24, resulting in 24. I will then subtract 24 from 35. 5 minus 4, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. I have another number that is 2. Dividing 112 by 24 gives the result of 96 when 4 times 24 is subtracted. The result is 112 minus 96 is 16. 24 by 16 cannot be evenly divided, therefore 24 minus 16 leads to the elimination of certain numbers. Consequently, 16 reflects the remaining quantity. And let's write down that when we divide the number 352 by 24, we have 14 whole numbers, 16 in the remainder. And we leave the denominator. It remains consistent. The outcome is a combination of 14 and 16 24ths, making it a mixed number. In this mixed number, numerator and denominator can be reduced. To do this, I can divide the numerator and denominator. I'm capable of dividing numbers by 8. For example, 16 divided by 8 equals 2. And 24 divided by 8 is 3. Then I have the number 14.2 and that will be our answer. We can solve this example in a different way. To do this, you need to pay attention to the fact that the numerator and denominator can be reduced, and then you do not need to divide by a column. How do we do that? Let me write down this example again. 352, 24ths, 352, and I can divide by 2. 352 divided by 2 is 176. 24 shared equally between 2 equals 12. Notice, the numbers in this fractional number are smaller, but I can still reduce 176 twelfths. Then I will divide the numerator and denominator by 2 again. The result is 176 divided by 2 is 80. 8 and 12 divided by 2 is 6. However, if I take 88 and 6 and divide them both by 2 once more, the result is 44 thirds as a fraction. But when I divide 44 by 3, then I calculate 44 divided by 3, resulting in 14.2 thirds. Notice we got the same answer. Of course, we could divide 352 and 24 by 8 at once, but if we divide gradually, we get the same result. Choose the method that is more convenient for you, and then you will succeed.
In the next lesson, we will continue to work with fractional numbers. Today our lesson has come to an end. Goodbye. See you again.